Look at little birdie, waves his wings to say hello. Hello.
Is he not listening to you?
Go! He didn't hear me.
I wonder what he's doing. Maybe he's taking care of his babies.
I think he's cracking eggs and some more birdies.
Oh.
And Carl! Nana doesn't have any more food. And she's out of food.
I'll go to the store tomorrow and get him some.
And she's all loud and she's out of food. Mama, how did he hear me?
Oh, I don't know what to say. He's probably in his nest taking care of all his babies.
Talk about maybe he's working on his babies. And if the babies want to play on their iPads.
The baby birdies playing on iPads. Lucky little birdies.
Look at little birdie, waves his wings to say hello.